Hey there! Have you ever heard of Majorana particles? By the end of this video, you'll know why they're super cool and how they could change the future of technology. So, let's start with the basics. In our universe, everything is made up of tiny building blocks called particles. Some particles, like electrons, are pretty common, but others are, well, stranger. One of these strange particles is called a Majorana particle. It's named after Ettore Majorana, an Italian physicist who first predicted their existence back in 1937. What makes them special? Well, imagine if you had a Lego brick that was its own mirror image, and also its own opposite. Most particles have an opposite, called an antiparticle. For example, an electron has a positron as its antiparticle. But Majoranas? They're unique, because they're both a particle and its own antiparticle at the same time. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. Scientists think Majorana particles could help us build better quantum computers. You might be wondering, what's a quantum computer? Regular computers use bit zones and zeros to process information. But quantum computers use something called qubits, which can be both 1 and 0 at the same time. This lets them solve problems much faster than normal computers. And guess what? Majorana particles could make qubits way more stable. Right now, qubits are really fragile. They lose their state easily, kind of like trying to balance a pencil on its tip. But Majoranas? They're tough cookies. Because of their weird properties, they don't get knocked out of place so easily. So, while we're still figuring out how to use Majorana particles in real life, they hold huge potential for making quantum computers more powerful and reliable. Who knows? Maybe someday, thanks to Majoranas, we'll unlock answers to some of the biggest mysteries of science.